This is a very simple way to understand short selling. So this is you in the middle, and you're in a shoe shop, and you buy your shoes for £10 or $10 or €10 a pair, and you sell them for 20. That's making a nice profit. Customers come in, you serve them, they buy the shoes. Technically, you're long of 50 pairs of shoes because you've got space for 50 pairs. This is called being long. You profit from the price rising or selling it for a higher price, which you do, selling them at 20. The customers come in, they give you money, you deliver the shoes. After work, you go to the wholesalers, you pick up the shoes, get stocked up, then you go off and do your deliveries. Everybody's happy. And one day this man comes in and he says, I want to buy 100 pairs of shoes. And he's got $2,000 or €2,000 or £2,000. And you need the money, so you say yes. Assuming that you can go to the wholesaler and buy 50 pairs more, because you've got 50 in the shop. So you're short 50 pairs, okay? So again, you get in the van, you go to the wholesalers, as you always do. And the good news is they're having a sale because they're closing down. So you can buy your shoes for $5 or £5 or €5. And you've sold them already for 20. So it's a great news. They've made $15 a pair or €15 or £15 a pair. Now, the worst case is you get to the wholesaler and they're sold out completely. So this means you're in trouble because now you've got to go to another place to try and find the shoes. And they might be sold out as well. And when you do find someone that's got stock, you may have to pay a lot more money for them. You might pay $30 or $40 a pair, in which case you'd lose $10 or $20 or £20 or euros a pair. So if you're anything like me, you might be interested to try this out without risking any money, because it's a little bit risky if you're not sure what you're doing. So this is the Trading IQ game, which you can find on precisiontradingsystems.com, and it's completely free. You can make an account and it generates a report to show you how good or bad you are. So this is the sell price, this is the buy price. And we're going to do a short trade. So we're going to sell first. Price is going up, so hopefully this will demonstrate a way of losing. So this is the price we're short at. And it's got a small profit because the price is going down. Let me just zoom in a little bit. So I want the price to go down, and it is. And we can click on the buy button and make £17. So that was a winning trade. I'm going to try another one, see if we can lose. So this time we're short here. And again, the price is going down. When you're short, the maximum profit you can make is 100%, because the price only can go down to 0. That's with stocks. There was once, I remember, the price of crude went below 0. So that was a very, very unusual case. So normally it's 100% is the most you can make. When it comes to the loss, the maximum loss you can make is infinity, because there's no limit how far the price can rise. So we're short here. If we sit there and we don't have a stop, it might go up to 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 10,000. There's no limit. So it's very risky, and it's always a good idea to have a stop loss and lock in your profits. I'll leave the link to this game at the bottom of the video. I'm going to close this now. And it went down afterwards, just to make me look ridiculous.